Hi guys! So you might be wondering what all that research that you just did was for, if not for writing a research paper. Well, it turns out you will be writing something, but it won't be a research paper as you may know it. The focus of these next 2 weeks instead, weeks 12 and 13, will be about writing a research analysis paper. What's that? Well, it's different from a research paper in that first, it's not 10 pages long. But you will use the research you just did to present a claim and back it up with evidence in a different sense. Rather than offering a lot of info regurgitation, you will be providing an overview of the conversation that's happening around your topic that you just investigated, okay? So rather than making some kind of judgment about what you think, you'll be discussing the ideas of the other people whose ideas you just read. So from the research you just did, you'll summarize basically what others have said, which gives me a strong sense not only of your research process, but the information that you did gather while you were investigating each of your sources. So you'll also be looking for overlaps as you go to write this paper that you experienced from your sources. So different authors who may agree, they may have similar ideas, and then you'll also touch on where they disagreed or where there is still controversy. The point of writing this type of paper is to analyze the sources, breaking down the most important elements to show me ultimately your understanding of the overall conversation they create. There are more specific guidelines for this assignment that are in the assessments category for this module, which should help with any questions that you may still have. The reading content for these two modules is also designed to help support you as you compose this project, okay? So remember, it's kind of like you were listening to a conversation that you walked in on, and the conversation just so happened to be about a topic that you were interested in. So you had some natural interest and you were able to sit through the conversation and take notes and gather and interpret what people were saying. And you spent some time with what they were saying. The research analysis paper will be your presentation of what you heard, basically. Okay? I'm looking forward to reading your writing, and that sums up this overview. We'll talk soon.